Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok privacy setting. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the TikTok privacy setting. We can go to our profile, and then we can click on these three lines on the top right. And since we want to fix privacy setting, we can go to the settings and privacy. All right, and I'm going to select privacy, and here we'll be able to customize our privacy setting on TikTok. Here you will have option to make your account private. You can click on this toggle button to switch from public account to private account, and I have this setting turned off because I don't want to make my profile private. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And if you want to make your account private, you can activate this feature, and you will have activity status. If you want to be hidden, or if you don't want your followers know that you're active on TikTok, you can turn it off. And I'm going to turn it off because I want to be invisible in TikTok. Okay, and then you will have suggest your account to others. If you don't want to be found on TikTok by others, you can turn off all these options. As you can see, I have all of those features turned off because I don't want to be found. And you can do the same if you don't want to be found on TikTok. Okay, and then we have sync contact and Facebook friends. I want to turn off the sync contact as well, and also Facebook friends. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my location services. Okay, if you don't want to activate your location, you can select never, and I'm just going to leave it like that. All right, and these are for the interactions on TikTok. Here you can customize who can put comment on your post, and I'm just going to allow comments from my friends. Okay, and then this is for mentions. You can choose who can mention you in their description, stickers, or comments and stories. And I'm going to select friends as well, so only my friends who can mention me. And for download, I'm going to make it off because I don't want to allow other people to download my video. And then this is for the liked video. You can hide your liked videos if you want right here. And I have make my liked videos hidden. And this is for the post views and also profile views. And you can customize it as you like. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix TikTok privacy setting. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.